Hi, welcome to Ashok Kumar channel Physics. Today we are going to discuss another numerical problem on the logic gates. So this is the logic gate here given. The two input signals which are A and B given in the form of digital. How do you get the output signal, which is we need to find out the truth table of this logic gate. Okay. So first I have given the numbers for these NAND gates. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 NAND gates are given. And to this NAND gate, what are the inputs? First you need to see where are the inputs are connected for every NAND gate. So for this NAND gate, the input is one is B, another input is A. Okay. So and the NAND gate, the output of this one I am taking as P, which is NAND means A into B whole bar, not after AND. And this P signal is connected to second NAND gate and third NAND gate. So P signal, the signal coming from this NAND gate, first NAND gate is taken as P, and this signal is connected to the third NAND gate and second NAND gate. And second NAND gate, another input signal is A, and third NAND gate, another input signal is B. Okay, and the outputs of these two NAND gates I am taking as the output of this one is taken as Q, which is again it is A into P whole bar, A into P whole bar, NAND. Again this is also NAND. This output signal I am taking as R, which is P into B whole bar. NAND means always multiplication and inverse. Inputs have to multiply, and this is not means inverse. And this R and Q are connected to this NAND gate. And the final output expression you are going to get as Q into R whole bar. That's it. Very simple how to find out the Boolean expression, the final Boolean expression. Now I am writing the truth table. Here you need to write the truth table for this logic gate. Okay. So here the input signal is A and B. These two are the input signal, and here is P, where P is equals to A into B whole bar, and you need to write Q, where Q is equals to A into P bar, and again you need to write R, where R is equals to P into B bar. And finally you will get the output Boolean expression, which is Y is equals to Q into R whole bar. Okay, first take the input signals as 0, 0, 1, 1. This is how you need to take always. This is 0, 0, 1, 1 input signal of A, and input signal of B you need to take as 0, 1, 0, 1. These two are the input signals. This is how you need to write the truth table, by taking the input signals in this way. And P is nothing but A into B whole bar. A into B is 0 into 0, 0, and bar is 1, inverse. 0 into 1 is 0, and inverse is 1. Again 1 into 0 is 0, and inverse is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, and inverse is 0. And again you need to write Q. Q is nothing but A into P whole bar. A into P, here is the P. So 0 into 1 is 0, and inverse is 1. 0 into 1 is 0, and inverse is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, and inverse is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, and inverse is 1. And next you need to write R. R is P into B whole bar. P into B is nothing but 0 into 1 is 0, and inverse is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, and inverse is 0. And 0 into 1 is 0, and inverse is 1. 1 into 0 is 0, and inverse is 1. And the final output is Q into R whole bar. This is the Q, this is R. Q into R. 1 into 1 is 1, and inverse is 0. 1 into 0 is 0, and inverse is 1. 0 into 1 is 0, and inverse is 1. 1 into 1 is 1, and inverse is 0. So by giving the input signals A and B, you will get the final output signal as 0, 1, 1, 0. So these two are the input and this is the final output of this logic gate. So how do you get the final output of logic gate? You are going to get, first of all, you need to find out the Boolean expression, which is Q into R whole bar. If you find out that Boolean expression, then you can find out the truth table of any logic gate. So finding of truth table for logic gates is always simple. If you follow this procedure, you can find out the truth table of any given logic, any complex logic gate. We can find out the truth table. Thank you. So this is the class for today. So hope you have understood. In the next class, we are going to discuss another numerical problem on the logic gates. Thank you. Bye.